Welcome to the Standing Stones 90-second guides, where this week we'll be taking a look at Carrowkeel in County Sligo. Carrowkeel is a large megalithic passage tomb cluster located on high ground above Lough Arrow in the Bricklieve Mountains. Constructed during the Neolithic period, there are 14 identified passage tombs in the main complex, with a further 12 in the immediate vicinity. One of the best preserved tombs of the complex is Cairn G, which contains a short passage leading to a polygonal chamber with 3 chambers leading off from this forming a cruciform shape. The main chamber is over 2 meters in height with an impressive corbelled roof. The tomb still retains its covering cairn of loose stones, with one curbstone still visible. Others likely remain but are now covered with blanket bog. Cairn G also contains a light box above its entrance where the last rays of the setting sun enter the inner chamber during the summer solstice. Excavations were carried out in the early 20th century and large amounts of cremated human remains and animal bones were found, along with pottery, beads, pendants and tools. Unlike the passage tombs of the Boyne Valley and Lough Crew, there is little megalithic art at Carrowkeel, although some faint spiral motifs have recently been found in Cairn B. Less scholarly attention has been given to Carrowkeel than other passage tomb clusters in Ireland, and there is still a lot to learn. These tombs are also less disturbed by modern hands than others, and they remain largely as they were 5,000 years ago.